Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to knit the garter stitch. So the garter stitch is a classic stitch, which is just knit on both sides, which is a great beginner stitch for beginner knitters and great for a lot of projects. It is reversible on both sides and it's really pretty, right? All right, let's get started. Okay, so you're just going to cast on any number of stitches. Cast on loosely. If you have trouble casting on loosely, go up a needle size when you cast on and then just switch it back when you're ready to knit. The garter stitch I think is one of the easiest stitches to knit because you're knitting every row, meaning you do not have to purl any stitches, and I think that's usually what a lot of new beginners struggle with. I know I did. Okay, so like I say, we're just going to knit every stitch. Okay, so this is a reversible stitch because it's the same on each side, both sides. So I'm knitting continental. Which means I'm holding my yarn on this side. Okay, next row. I'll knit this row traditional, which is when you throw your yarn around. Okay, so insert your needle into the first stitch there, and then just knit every stitch across. If you struggle with knitting, I recommend that you try different methods because I almost gave up and then I learned of continental knitting and it was so much easier than the English style. In fact, I just sort of got comfortable with the traditional English style just this year. So that's kind of like something I've been putting off. Okay, that's it. You just knit every row. I'm going to knit a few more rows and show you what that looks like. Okay, so I have several rows and this is what it looks like. I love the garter stitch. It has so much texture and it's reversible. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.